Oh my gosh, guys. If you could only feel how slick and lubricated this soap feels on the panel, which is another plus. It's just gliding over the panel, which is exactly what you're looking for. Alright my people, you don't know it's Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today I got a quick product review for you guys. You don't know it's all about this product right here. It's P&S Pearl shampoo. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. This product is a pure shampoo. There are no additives, no added wax, sealants, ceramic stuff in there. Nothing like that, guys. Pure shampoo. Comes in a gallon. You don't know you can dilute it. You can use this product up to 3 ways. It's very versatile. You can use it in the foam cannon. I like it diluted 5:1 in the foam cannon. I believe you can dilute it all the way up to 10:1. You can use it in the foam cannon as a nice snow foam. You can use it in the wash buckets. And you can also dilute it and use it as a rinseless wash. Here we have it, like I said, diluted 5:1. Let me mention real quick, this shampoo is very safe. Very safe for all finishes, all surfaces really. Safe for all waxes, sealants, ceramic coatings, PPF even. Wraps, I believe also, so you don't know. Thumbs up to that. I'm gonna foam up the panel there. This is just for demonstration purposes, so follow along. As you can see, it foams up pretty nicely. I would say it's not the thickest type of foam, you know, that real thick, snowy looking, dense type of foam. But what I really like about it, as you can see, it's actually dragging all the dirt down. Has very good cleaning power, I would say also to guys. So right now you can see it is running down the side of the panel. That means it's pulling all that dirt and grime down with it. And I'm gonna rinse it off now, guys, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to rinse, which is also a definite plus. Check that out, guys. You see, it's pretty easy to rinse off. Another plus is it doesn't really leave much residue behind. Actually, no residue once you give it a good rinse. All right, with that said, I'm going to show you how you can use it in the wash bucket. All right, talking about dilution again. They recommend you dilute it 1 part product to every gallon of water. So right now I have, as you can see right here, I have about 3 gallons of water in this wash bucket. So I'm going to give it 3 ounces of shampoo. All right, guys, I know you just saw that, right? You see the consistency of the soap? It's very thin. It's like not a thick consistency at all, which is a very good thing, I think. It's a plus. Look at this, guys. How it pours out. See, so thin. And when it goes into your wash bucket, it's going to dilute very easily into the water itself. All right, you see it suds up so nicely. Look at that, guys. Look at those awesome suds. Like I said, it's so thin, it mixes in well with the water. I don't know if any detailers out there, any DIYer guys or gals who like to wash your own vehicle, you might notice with some soaps, when you pour it into your wash bucket, you know, and you let it sit there for a while, you notice that the soap is kind of just rested on the top. Like it's a foam on the top and the rest is the clear water on the bottom. This soap, it mixes right through. So in all of your water here, it's going to be mixed very well. So with that said, let me show you how sudsy this gets on the panel. Oh my gosh, guys. If you could only feel how slick and lubricated this soap feels on the panel, which is another plus. It's just gliding over the panel, which is exactly what you're looking for. So smooth, unbelievable, very slick, which as we all know, you need that when you're doing a contact wash because the more lubricated the surface, the less likelihood of you scratching the paint. So you don't know, guys, that's an awesome flush. Look at how well the soap mixes into your wash mitt. Look at that, guys. Look at all those suds. Pretty awesome. You see all the suds on my hands? Guess what, guys? This soap or shampoo is also very gentle on your skin, which is a definite plus. High quality stuff. Highly concentrated, highly dilutable. You see it on the panel here? Look how easily, once again, it rinses off. Just like that, guys. No residue left behind. The cleaning power is awesome. It's slick, it's lubricated, mixes well, thin, affordable, dilutable, highly concentrated, very versatile. 3 ways you can use it, like I said. Pure shampoo. I mean, come on. It's kind of a no-brainer to me, especially as a professional detailer. You're looking for high-quality products that are affordable. And, you know, you can watch your margins. You know, we're running a business here, guys. So you can buy a gallon for 25 to 30 bucks US. I mean, come on. Can't beat that. So shout out to P&S. I really like the shampoo. I would highly recommend it. Don't know, guys. It's Clean Car Chris coming at you again with another product review. Keep it locked, guys. Every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Man.